Welcome to the YouTube game. Have you ever looked at the big YouTube creators, those who dominate views, money and fame, and thought, they just got lucky, right? The truth is, YouTube is a game, a brutal game, full of unwritten rules, secret codes and invisible battles. And right now, you're losing. But not because you're not good enough, it's because no one has shown you the cards that the top 1% of creators keep hidden in their pockets. Imagine YouTube as the largest online game ever created. Millions of people around the world are playing simultaneously, each trying to level up, gain more views, and grow their subscriber count. But unlike other games, YouTube offers real rewards: wealth, fame, and the chance to live the life of your dreams. Anyone with internet access can play. Everyone starts in the same place: 0 views, 0 subscribers, 0 revenue. But to win, you need to master multiple skills: editing, thumbnails, storytelling, and much more. Each creator has a score in each of these skills, and to advance in the game, you need to improve each one. The problem? There's no tutorial at the beginning. Most get stuck at the lower levels, struggling against the competition, posting video after video without seeing results, while the elites dominate the game. Many blame the algorithm, treated like a mysterious god who decides who wins and who loses. But what if I told you that the secret to winning isn't fighting the algorithm, but understanding how it really works? What if I told you that you can learn to play like the best? YouTube is like a massive RPG. To level up, you need to gain views, subscribers, and revenue. Along the way, there are rewards to unlock access to the community tab, the partner program for ad monetization, and even physical prizes like the famous play buttons. But just like in any game, there are different paths to success. You can choose your class: tech, travel, gaming, science, business, finance. The options are endless. The key is to choose an area that aligns with your interests and skills. However, we're all competing for the same thing: attention. And that's where strategy comes in. Who you choose as an ally, how you build your network, and how you position yourself in the game can make all the difference. A good video or a strategic comment can open doors to collaborations, new opportunities, and accelerated growth. Every video you post is a chance to advance in the game. Instead of earning experience points, you earn views and subscribers. But to do that, you need to understand the rules of the game and play better than everyone else. The secret to growing on YouTube can be summed up in one sentence: get people to click on your video, watch it until the end, and come back for more. Sounds obvious, right? But execution is where most fail. The YouTube algorithm isn't your enemy. It simply tries to show viewers the content they'll enjoy the most. So instead of worrying about the algorithm, focus on your audience. Click-through rate, or CTR. Your title and thumbnail need to be irresistible. Audience retention. The beginning of your video must grab attention immediately. Returning viewers. Your audience needs to want to see more of your content. The algorithm follows the audience. If your video isn't performing well, it's not the algorithm's fault. It's the audience that isn't engaging. Every video can be evaluated on 10 key attributes, which I call the Content Scorecard. The higher your score in each of these attributes, the greater your chances of success. Here are a few of them. Video topic. Is the concept unique and interesting? Does it appeal to a broad audience? Title. Is it captivating enough to make people click? Thumbnail. Does it stand out among other videos? Video hook. Are the first 30 seconds crucial for grabbing attention? Script. Tell a compelling story and use techniques like open loops to keep the audience interested. Improving these aspects can take your content to the next level. Many creators get stuck in the sea of mediocrity, posting videos that are just okay. They think consistency is the key, but the truth is, posting mediocre videos won't get you far. To stand out, you need to create purple cows, videos that are unique, memorable, and worthy of attention. Imagine driving down a road full of ordinary cows and suddenly spotting a purple cow. That's what your content needs to be, something that makes people stop and pay attention. Instead of posting 3 mediocre videos, invest your time in creating one incredible video. One exceptional video can bring more views and subscribers than several average videos combined. Quality beats quantity when it comes to growth on YouTube. And it's not just about making pretty videos, it's about offering something your audience truly wants to watch, whether for entertainment, information, or inspiration. However, it's important to avoid the mountain of perfectionism. Spending hours on details no one will notice can slow your progress. The goal is to create remarkable videos, not perfect ones. Find the balance between quality and consistency, and focus on improving a little with each video. Remember, YouTube's algorithm wants to keep people on the platform. If your video is good enough to hold the audience's attention, the algorithm will recommend your content more and more. So, the key is to create videos that people can't stop watching. Finally, adopt a mindset of continuous improvement. Analyze your data, identify your weaknesses, and work to overcome them. Over time, you'll build a reputation for quality, and your audience will come back every time you post something new. As you start earning money on YouTube, reinvesting in your strategy is crucial. Success on YouTube isn't just about creating content, it's about building a business. And, like any business, you need to invest to grow. Hire editors, thumbnail designers, and other professionals to elevate the quality of your content. You don't have to do everything yourself. In fact, trying to do it all can be the biggest obstacle to your growth. By delegating tasks, you free up time to focus on what really matters: strategy and creativity. YouTube is a team game. With the right team, you can scale faster and reach new heights. Imagine having a dedicated editor, a talented scriptwriter, and a specialized thumbnail designer. Each team member brings unique skills that help elevate your channel. Additionally, reinvesting your earnings in better equipment, training courses, or even collaborations with other creators can boost your growth. The secret is to use the money you earn to improve your content and expand your reach. Remember, you're not just creating videos, you're building a digital empire. Every video you post is an asset that can generate revenue for years. So invest in quality, build a strong team, and think long-term. Success on YouTube isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Learn the rules of the game, improve your skills, and execute better than everyone else. YouTube is a game of attention, and to win, you need to understand what makes your audience click, watch, and come back for more. One of the most powerful strategies is the Flywheel Effect, popularized by creators like Mr. Beast. The idea is simple. Reinvest all the money you earn back into your channel. This allows you to create even better videos, attract more views, and consequently earn more money. This virtuous cycle is what drives exponential growth. But you don't need to be the next Mr. Beast to apply this strategy. Start small. Use your first earnings to upgrade your equipment, hire an editor, or invest in a storytelling course. Every improvement you make to your content increases your chances of success. Another crucial point is the long-term mindset. Instead of spending all the money you earn, think of your channel as an investment. Every video you post is an asset that can generate passive income for years. Over time, you'll build a library of content that continues to attract views and subscribers, even when you're not posting new videos. Finally, remember that YouTube is a game of patience and persistence. Don't expect overnight results, but know that with the right strategy, you can reach the top. The secret is to keep playing, learning, and improving every day. And if you want a shortcut to success, join me on the Invisible Millionaires of Finance channel. There, you'll discover the secrets to mastering the YouTube game and turning your channel into a success machine. The game is just beginning and you can't afford to miss out. Let's play.